Tilta's new Sony A7 IV camera cage is available in various forms ranging from a basic cage up to a pro kit. The cage features a nice design that doesn't obstruct access to any of the buttons and dials. The top of the cage features a NATO rail, a cold shoe mount, and multiple 1/4 - 20-inch threads. The bottom of the cage features an Arca Swiss dovetail and multiple 1/4 - 20-inch mounting holes. There is also a magnetic screwdriver. The left-hand side of the cage has a cold shoe mount, rosette, NATO rail and multiple mounting points. The right-hand side of the cage has multiple mounting points and a place for the camera strap. The full camera cage retails for $62.10. The basic kit includes the full camera cage, Tilta compact NATO top handle, HDMI cable clamp attachment, and a 22 cm HDMI male to HDMI female cable. It retails for $107.10. The Pro Kit includes a full camera cage for Sony A7 IV, Tilta compact NATO top handle, HDMI cable clamp attachment for Sony A7 IV, a 22 cm HDMI male to HDMI female cable, Tilta left side advanced power handle with run and stop, F570 battery, Tilta advanced left side handle attachment, advanced side handle run and stop cable for Sony A6, A7, A9 series, Tilta 15mm LWS baseplate, 2 aluminum rod 15mm 200mm long. The Pro Kit retails for $359.10.